Yeah, I do. Doesn't matter if you find you're cute up with your dog or anything. Pero parang akin naman wala sa edad yun eh. Or minsan iba lang talaga timing or baka mayroon pang naghihintay or darating. So akin just never stop believing and it doesn't matter if you wait for years or kung gaano katagal pa yan. Pero darating at darating.
Kim Chiu and Paulo Avellino were recently interviewed about their hintayan moments after taping, prompting the two to clarify the stories. In an exclusive interview with ABS-CBN News, Paulo came forward to clarify the stories that were circulating about him and his Linlang co-star. According to Paulo, it was more out of respect for one's co-actor, especially if they only have one scene and the latter still has scenes to shoot. Hindi naman totally naghihintayan pero alam mo yung hiya. Yung nahihiya ka sa co-actor mo dahil minsan inuuna yung mga eksena mo. Syempre, nahihiya ako kay Kim dahil may eksena pa siya. Kung isang eksena na lang, hintayin ko na lang matapos. Meanwhile, in an earlier report, Biwa Philstar, Kim said Paulo is now more comfortable with her, but refused to answer the viral Jojo Wayne or Totropahin question. Amid this news, the well-loved Kimpo still refuses to be called a love team. As per the report done, Biwa inquired back in May of 2024.
Did you learn about that? I mean, may active lifestyle pala si Kim?
Di naman, nakikita ko dati kasi gumawa sila ng serye dati with Jake. Si Jake lagi nang sinasabi na nag-train sila for triathlon. So, nabilib ako sa kanila kasi it's not easy. Tapos,
Okay, last na lang. So, na-interview ko nga si Direct Chad, tapos parang tinanong ko siya kung totoo bang naghihintayan kayo sa set pa kayo. Is it true, Pao?
Si Direct Chad,
hindi naman totally naghihintayan pero alam mo yung hiya. Yung nahihiya ka sa co-actor mo dahil minsan inuuna yung mga eksena mo. Tapos syempre nahihiya ako kay Kim dahil last time siya. Yung mga isang eksena, hintayin ko na matapos.
Parang courtesy. Yung na sinabi ni Direct Chad actually. Parang courtesy ko din, Kim, di ba? Hinihintay mo rin siya.
kasi may iksi lang naman yung mga eksena namin. Hindi naman siya ganun kalaki. Pag big scene, kaming dalawa na magkasama.
Naging photographer din, Kim.
Dubai.
Dubai din yun?
Lagi niya sinasabi, mas magaling daw siyang photographer kaysa sa akin.
Totoo ba?
Hindi.
Magaling ako.
Hindi, magaling lang siya gumamit ng filter.
Hoy! Wala akong filter. Maganda ako mag-angulo.
Hindi, filter sa kabuuan.
Hoy, hindi. Mas magaling ako.
Pao, ano ba hinahatid sa bahay?
Hoy, sobra naman!
Ang layo ng bahay ni Kimi. After nung taping, I'm sure pagod na kami pareho. So, diretso.
My camp, both. Just a sec. My come here. Hawakan mo to dito. Roll mo siya. Okay? Nandiyan na kayo? Iiwan sila yung lalagay niya. Okay. Nasa labas ni and Paulo, welcome here in Vietnam. Kumusta muna yung biyahe?
Haba para isang araw ata. Pero, kasi worth it naman po siguro yung
Okay. This is the first time here in Birmingham?
Yes.
Okay. Anong masasabi ninyo na kahit saan kayo pumunta ngayon ay sinusundan kayo ng fans? I know that it's a familiar thing, pero ito talaga, Team Pao, sinusunod sila sa inyo from Dubai to here in Birmingham. Halika. Habang na.
I want to thank everyone who requested for us to get it.
Okay, and the show is on Sunday. Would you like to invite our kababayans to be there to join us in the celebration?
Yes, Sunday na po. Magkita-kita po tayo. Woodgate, Club Valley. Date ko, tama sana ako. Pero sana nandun lahat ng mga Pilipino and magsayahan tayo, magkahan, sayawan.
See you there.
Haba, para isang araw ata. Pero, gonna be worth Malapit naman po siguro yung best.
Okay. This is your first time here in Birmingham?
Yes.
Okay.
I think it is my first time.
Okay. Anong masasabi ninyo na kahit saan kayo pumunta ngayon ay sinusundan kayo ng fans? I know that it's a familiar thing, pero ito talaga, Kim Pao, sumusunod sila sa inyo from Dubai to here in Birmingham.
Nagugulat kami kasi kung saan-saan na kami pumupunta, yet meron kaming mga taong sumusupport.
And strongly requested by the community in Birmingham or in London or here in the UK as well. So I want to thank everyone who requested for us to be together
Okay.
for the Birmingham show.
Okay, and the show is on Sunday. Would you like to invite our kababayans to be there to join us in the celebration?
Or is it again Woodstock?
Sunday na po.
Nasa
Nakita po tayo, Woodgate Club Valley. I think kung tama-tama ako. Pero sana nandun lahat ng mga Pilipino and magsayahan tayo, kantahan, sayawan.
See you there.
Thank you so much.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Nandiyan na kayo? O, 5 minutes. Nasa labas yung interview lang ni
Paolo, welcome
Larry
here.
Desidel.
Kumusta muna yung biyahe?
Haba. Haba rin para isang araw ata. Pero hello, Birmingham. It's actually 8 p.m. and maaraw pa rin. Woo! See you Sunday. So, ba't blurred? Everybody! Hello! Gabi na dito pero may araw pa rin. Ang ganda talaga dito sa Marikina.